Vietnamese iced coffee is renowned for its unique flavor, largely influenced by its brewing methods. The traditional method uses a small drip filter that allows hot water to slowly seep through ground coffee. This process extracts rich, bold flavors, resulting in a concentrated brew. Another popular method is the cold brew technique, where coarsely ground coffee is steeped in cold water for several hours. This method yields a smoother, less acidic flavor, perfect for those who prefer a milder taste. For a quicker option, some opt for espresso machines, which produce a strong shot of coffee in seconds. This espresso can be combined with sweetened condensed milk and ice for a fast yet flavorful Vietnamese iced coffee. Each brewing method offers a distinct taste experience, showcasing the versatility of Vietnamese coffee culture. Exploring these techniques allows coffee enthusiasts to appreciate the depth and richness of this beloved beverage.